Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica, and for this video I have another unboxing. This time I have my Boxycharm for the month of May. Here is the small box, and let's go ahead and see what I have in mind. As far I know, there are 2 or 3 variations right now, and some of the products are similar in all the boxes. So here is the box inside, and we have the card here. This one says Bash or something like that. We have all the prices and also 2 coupons that I'm gonna leave down below, just in case if you wanna check one of the products. And here is the box and the products for this month. And the first item that I see in here, it's Boxycharm and Beauty Creations. It's a collaboration between those two. And this one is matte lip gloss, probably like this. It's matte lip gloss in the shade Kiss Me. And let's see how this guy looks. It's a full size, of course. And let's see the shade of this one. Pretty dark berry color is this one right here. It's a pretty shade. I like this one. Then I have in here a favorite product of mine, a favorite primer. This is from Cover FX. It's blurring primer. This one, it's again another full size. I want to say that I was using this one last summer in my trip, and this one worked so nice for me and so well. I love the way it looked, and I didn't wear any makeup on top of this one if I didn't have to. Beautiful primer. So I'm really happy to get this item in here. And let's see some prices for those items. The lipstick, it's the lip gloss it's $10, and the Cover FX blurring primer, it's $38. So this one comes in, there are three or 4 different ones. I tried also the illuminator one, which is really beautiful. Also the primer looks very nice on the face. I used the blurring one and worked just perfect for me. As I said, I'm gonna leave all the information down below just in case if you wanna check those. So far I'm happy with this one. Then I see here 3 brushes, and those are from Estetica or Estetica, probably Estetica is the way you pronounce that. Are those 3 brushes, and those are 3-piece eye trio, and those are $45. Not cheap, $45 for 3 brushes, and I'm gonna show you each one of them. So it is in this box an angle eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine eyeliner brush. So I'm gonna show all of them. Let me take them out from the plastic. So this is the spoolie first. Here is the next one, the detail one, and this one. So far 3 brushes in this set, and this set is, as I said, $45. So I don't know, I think it's expensive for 3 brushes, but anyway, if they are okay, I have no problem with that. So far just one product in this box cover the price of the subscription per month. As usually, I don't have here a total value of this one. It doesn't say. This is the 3rd item. Then I have another brush in here. And this one is still from Estetica, it's P12. And about this one, it's a face brush with synthetic fibers. It is very soft with a big handle. So this one here, I got so many brushes in the Boxycharm May. Then that brush alone is $27. Then we have this cute jar here, which is very pretty. And this one is pretty vulgar, right here. And this one is the ink in the, it's a gel eyeliner in Blacklist, is the shade 01, and this one is $24. Not much to see. Anyway, is this one another full-size product. And there is one more item in here. It's a palette. And if I'm going by the card, this one is from Pour again. It's a sculptor palette. It seems like Pour comes every month in Boxycharm. I would prefer other brands because I just bought a bunch of Pour eyeshadow palettes that I will have on my channel sooner or later. I have a video for them, but I didn't post it yet. And here is the contour palette. Of course, comes with the mirror, and those are the 4 shades. And I don't see any information about this. It says here this one is a highlight and contour palette. And let's see the highlighters first. The first shade, it's Originator, and here is the shade of this. And here is the swatch. Pretty color, I would say. And the next one is Trail Blazer, and is this one. Seems to be a little bit darker than the first one. Both of them are really pretty. I like the highlighters, and let's go ahead and see the contour shades. This one is the lightest one. A little bit more powder with the contour ones, but they blend really easy and well. Here is the first one, and this one is called Inventor. And then the next one is way darker than the first one, and this one is called Founder. So here is the second shade for contouring, Inventor and Founder. So far I like the lightest one. I think the second one is too dark. But anyway, for contouring, if you blend it very well, it might work. And if you're an expert in makeup. So far this is the palette from Pour that came in this box. As I said, I would prefer to see other brands as makeup eyeshadow palettes. But this thing just made me curious to see what's gonna be in the next month. I hope it's not gonna be another Pour palette, because I got a bunch of them, so it's gonna be repeats for me probably, but we'll see, never know. Here is the Pour palette, which is called Highlighter and Contour. And this is one of the items in this month. So far I like the box, and this palette is $30. So far I like the box. I don't know how much I'm gonna use the gel eyeliner. I never use a gel eyeliner. I'll try it and I'll see if that works for me. We have also here 4 brushes from Estetica. We have the primer, the blurring primer from Cover FX, which is my favorite item from this box. And also we have this matte lip gloss from Boxycharm and Beauty Creations. So this is all in this box. Let me know what do you think about the box. Let me know what do you got if you have the Boxycharm subscription, if it's something different that I have in my box, and if you like the box for this month. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys pretty soon, because I have other unboxing, other subscriptions unboxings. I have the Target Mother's Day box. I have the Yes or Yes, probably this is the name. I never know exactly how is the name of this subscription. And also I will have a limited edition box. So thank you so much for your time. I'll see you very soon for me, in a little while for you. I hope you'll have a great day, great night, whatever is there, and I'll see you soon. You guys have a great day. I'm saying this again and again because I really wish you to enjoy your time, enjoy my videos also. So bye bye.